Are you looking to broaden your understanding of Māori culture? Do you want to support your te reo Māori journey with wider Māori concepts? Keen to upskill your professional practice and actively contribute towards your working environment? Our Te Whāinga o Te Ao Tikanga program gives you an understanding of what tikanga is, why it exists, and how it's practiced. Across 4 modules, you'll work collaboratively to carry out a range of tikanga practices and concepts such as mana tangata, mana whenua, mana reo, and mana Aotearoa. These concepts will help you build your determination to engage in Māori kaupapa and help you contribute confidently towards your whānau, community, marae, or workplace. Our graduates have applied their learnings in sectors across Aotearoa, including tourism, hospitality, retail, media, education, and health. In this fees-free program, you'll learn in collaborative learning environments through noho and wānanga. Your local class will also have a specialised delivery strand that brings foundational tikanga and learning to life in just 20 weeks. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. So come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa, or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon e hoa mā.